following demonstration, we will discuss the various tax settings in KennelBooker. To access these settings, click on the Settings link in the left-hand menu. From the main settings screen, scroll down to the Tax panel. When you initially set up your KennelBooker account, the system will ask you if you charge tax. If you charge tax, the system will give you one of two options. You can either set the system to charge tax inclusively or charge tax exclusively. In the following demonstration, we have set the system up to charge exclusive. Once set to exclusive, if the booking price is $100 and we have 10% tax, the final price will be $110. The system allows you to set up two tax rates, one for bookings, services and packages, and another for products. Additionally, if required, you can manually modify the tax on bookings by selecting Yes from the following drop-down list. If you use the point of sale feature within KennelBooker and you ship your products out of state or out of the country, there is the ability to remove tax from any of the products being sold. If required, you can update the system to rename tax to something else. For instance, in Europe, tax is generally referred to as VAT. In other countries, it can be HST or GST. If you need to update this on the system, on the left-hand menu, click on the Customize Text link. From the screen, you can update tax. From the screen, you can update the wording for tax on the screen, you can update the wording for tax on the first input box. We are now going to look at how the system displays tax on bookings. Click into a booking that is currently in the system. From the cost panel on the right-hand side, we can clearly see the tax that has been added to this booking. Underneath the tax row, the system will show the total price including any taxes. When invoices or receipts are generated by the system in a PDF, the same information will be displayed on these. For instance, this is a PDF that is generated by the system. You can see that the tax has been added to this booking and the total is clearly shown. Depending on where you're located, certain booking types and services may be tax exempt. You can mark booking types and services as tax exempt in KennelBooker by clicking on the Settings link on the left-hand menu. Next, choose the booking type that you wish to mark as tax exempt. In this demonstration, we're going to click into the daycare bookings, and then we're going to mark daycare bookings as tax exempt by clicking on the Exclude Daycare from Tax toggle button. Then click on the blue Save button to update these changes. Any future bookings added to the system will now be tax exempt. If you need to mark additional services as tax exempt, click on the Additional Services link in the left-hand menu. From there, open up the service that you need to mark as tax exempt, scroll down and click on the Tax Exempt toggle button. Then click on the green Save button. From now on, any bath services that are added to bookings will be tax exempt.